G'day, Glenn Morris here from the Smart Energy Lab in the peace and quiet of the SolaX booth here at All Energy on day one with Joey Zhang from SolaX.
Hi guys.
Now, I've got a little apologies. I have been saying SolaX in some of my videos, but it's actually SolaX, so sorry about that. It's hard when you just read something and don't know much about it. But SolaX have been in the Australian market for a long time. I've had your inverters for, I don't know, more than 5 or 6 years at my lab, and I'm very impressed by the products. You've got some exciting new products here. Do you want to tell us about the Vast, the X1 Vast?
Yeah, so we actually established in Melbourne since 2012. So the Vast is our latest generation, which is fourth generation of hybrids. And the Vast is a single-phase hybrid inverter. And also it can be used as an AC coupled or string inverter. It's actually a very strong and high-tech model.
So the Vast is ideal for a residential installation. What capacity ranges in terms of power does the Vast come in?
It's from 5 to 10 kilowatt single phase.
And if you pair it with your batteries, now we've got the new batteries here. Tell us about those.
The new batteries we just released to the Australian market is, we call it HS51, which means 5.1 kilowatt hour per module. And you can stack up to 9 units per stack, so and total 45 kilowatt hours.
So it's an ideal product for the Cheaper Home Batteries program. So you can scale it to suit the customer, but you can go right up to virtually the limit of the Cheaper Home Battery rebate. So that's a very attractive offer. But you also make some other products here. So that's the Vast X1 single phase. What about three phase?
For three phase, we have two models, which is the first one is Hybrid G4 Pro from 5 to 15, and also the other one is we call it X3 Ultra. It's from 15 to 30 kilowatt, and there's even more for C&I scale. It's up to 60 kilowatt three-phase hybrid.
Wow, 60 kilowatt hybrid inverter. That's pretty big. Now, at that scale, what sort of battery packs would you pair it with?
That's one of advantages of SolaX, which is all of SolaX hybrid models are compatible with SolaX batteries, from the very first one, T5.8 to HS 3.6, and now the HS 5.1. And also it's up to megawatt level, so it really depends on the customer needs.
So using the HS 5.1, you can actually scale up to megawatt level?
Yes, because we offer parallel installations, and also we offer a very specialized, we call it TS combiner box. It can take many stacks, which is up to 1 megawatt hour.
Now, when it comes to the C&I market, do you have a product range for the C&I?
Yes, for C&I we actually have offering two different options. The first one is we use smaller size inverters to install in parallel. For example, install 3 30 kilowatt inverters to make it 90 in total. Or we can do a very big cabinetized battery models. It comes with like at least 100 kilowatt hour per unit.
So the PCS, it would be how much?
The PCS, it depends. For hybrid, it's up to 60 kilowatt. And for AC coupled, it's up to 125 kilowatt.
That's getting up there. Now, just coming back to the X1, I forgot to ask you, what's the solar DC ratio? Like it's a 10 kilowatt inverter. How much solar can you put on it?
It's a good question. All of the SolaX inverters, including string inverters and hybrid inverters, can take 200% oversizing. So, for example, single phase 10 kilowatt inverter, you can take 20 kilowatt panels.
Now, the thing customers ask a lot is, what about warranty? When things go wrong and there's support requirements, who do they contact? So, SolaX, do you have local support?
Yeah, of course. We offer different layers of support. Actually, 3 layers of support. The first one is 24/7 call center. So we have more than 200 people over the phone, and the current waiting time is definitely under 2 minutes. If the issue is a little bit more complex, so they cannot be solved from level 1 support, we will escalate to level 2 support, which is also answering phone calls. They are based in Australia, so over the phone they can solve majority of issues. For example, like Wi-Fi connections, monitoring issues, and basic product issues. and maybe some meter connection issues. And if the issue is even more complex, require an on-site diagnosis, it will be escalated to our senior tech support based in each state. So we have 2 tech support based in each state to support the customers' inquiries. And mainly they can go to the site to diagnose for the customer, and they can decide directly on site if it's a replacement or it's an easy fix or firmware upgrade.
Right, so 3 levels of tech support. I wish Telstra had a 2-minute turnaround on their tech support. That's pretty impressive. You mentioned like level 2 support, things like meter connections. Is that a common problem, that the meter's not being installed correctly?
Yes, because meters have a lot of pins and many colors. It's very difficult to get right if you are not familiar with our SolaX meter setup and configurations. So they can they can make a phone calls to our call center, and we will provide a step-by-step over the phone. And also we can give them an installation video. They can have a look at the site. And usually the resolve rate is over 90%.
So can you use any software to do diagnostics when you're installing a SolaX inverter?
Yes, of course. Most of the settings can be set remotely. And also I forgot to mention there's very common issue, for example, the CT directions. So if they get the CT direction wrong, which is 50%, so we can flip the direction through software. So the installers don't need to go to the site a second time, so we can just fix that remotely.
Now, if you're wondering what the CT direction is, it's basically measuring energy coming from the grid or going to the grid. If you get the wrong way around, you're basically exporting when you should be saving energy, and the vice versa. So it turns into a very embarrassing mistake for the installer. So that's great. You can solve that problem remotely and fix it.
Yes.
Yeah, cool. Now, the X1 VAST also has some functionality it's got 2 DC ports, is that right?
Yes.
Why 2 DC ports?
That's actually we designed for Australian market, because unlike other countries, Australia always like bigger batteries, much bigger batteries than other countries actually. So we come with 2 independent battery ports to support much more battery size, and that's the first selling point. And the other important point is because we've been here for over 10 years, and we're actually the very first manufacturer to bring hybrid systems into this country. So we want our old batteries compatible with the latest inverters as well. So another point is with X1 VAST, any models comes with 2 independent battery ports. You can connect the old batteries to port 1 and purchase new batteries to connect to the port 2. So which means you don't need to get rid of the old batteries, and meanwhile adding more batteries.
Now, the other hot topic in the Australian market is vehicle to grid. Now, is there any plans on the roadmap for SolaX for vehicle to grid?
Yes. We right now we have our second generation of EV chargers, which is very popular in new build area. So because majority of new houses come with at least 1 chargers already. And for the latest technology, which is sometimes we refer as V2X, which is mean vehicle to everything. Yeah, so the latest model is V2X ready. It's more than V2G. V2G is V2 grade. So our latest model comes with V2X ready. So we will release our V2X chargers shortly, maybe next year. And you don't need to worry about anything. The new inverters comes with V2X ready.
Wow, that's pretty exciting. Now, I'm very focused on the X1 VAST because I think it's a great product. I think the size, the up to 10 kilowatts, is really good. The dual battery ports. What about integration with conventional EVSE chargers, your AC charging options? You've got some solutions there?
Yes. The conventional EV chargers. We have a SolaX ecosystem.
Yeah.
So it includes inverters, batteries, and EV chargers. So they communication with using a data cable. So with SolaX EV chargers, the consumers can fully utilize the PV panels. So we have a green mode which is only use PV generated power to charge the vehicles. So to make sure the customers can get the maximum savings.
Great. Well, Joey, thanks so much for telling us about the amazing range of products that SolaX has. And yes, you've been in the Australian market for over 10 years.
Yes.
So a high level of trust and confidence in the brand. It's really great to see.
Yeah.
So thanks very much.
And can I add one more thing?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
One more thing.
Yes. One more thing. We released our 10 years and 10 years plus customer free upgrade program. So if you have your SolaX hybrid inverters running for over 10 years, we are offering a free upgrade for you. Free of charge, we're giving you the latest technology and offering a better experience with SolaX products.
Well, we left the best for last. I heard a free upgrade
Yeah.
for 10-year-old SolaX
Yeah.
systems.
Yeah.
That is unheard of. I don't think anyone else is doing that. So fantastic point. I think I should have said that at the beginning.
Yeah.
So another sign of confidence in the brand, that they're happy to give you yet another one to keep you going for another 10 years.
Yes.
Well, thanks very much, Joey.
Yeah. Thank you.
Cool.